Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start at the app library. Swipe left from your last home screen until you reach it. Once there, look in the suggested folders or tap the search bar to type the app name. Make sure you're on the device that owns the app and that parental controls aren't blocking deletion. Now tap and hold the app icon to reveal the Quick Actions menu. If you don't see deletion options, press more firmly or long press until the context menu fully appears so you can proceed. Once the menu appears, choose Remove App to reveal two choices: Remove from home screen or Delete App. You want to fully uninstall, so tap Delete App and then confirm by tapping Delete again when asked. This clears app data. If you prefer editing mode, you can instead drag the icon onto the home screen, then tap the minus sign and select Delete App. Make sure to wait for the confirmation prompt so the system completes the uninstall process without leaving residual files. After confirming deletion, briefly check the app library to ensure the app is gone. Sometimes icons persist until the system refreshes. If the icon remains, restart your device to force the UI to update. Make sure to inspect settings General iPhone storage if you suspect leftover data. If the delete option was grayed out, go to Screen Time Settings and disable or adjust content and privacy restrictions. Once changed, repeat the long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.